Introduction to Decimal Number System and Other Numbering Systems. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is the decimal number system? Why it is called decimal? 2. How are the numbers written in the decimal system? 3. What is the decomposed form of a number in the decimal system? 4. What are the place values and classes of a number? 5. What is the binary system of numbers? What are the commonalities differences with the decimal system? 6. What is the hexadecimal system of numbers? What are the commonalities differences with the hexadecimal system of numbers? 7. What other symbols we use in the hexadecimal system to represent digits? 8. How do we use the basic operations in various number systems? Introduction. How many digits do we use to write numbers? Why? What happens when a number exceeds the number of available digits? What does decimal mean? What if you are forced to use more digits that are actually used in practice to express various quantities? Would you be able to handle this situation? So far, in the previous math tutorials, we have dealt with integers and operations with them. Any reference made to other sets of numbers was only for the purpose to reject a claim related to integers. In this guide, we will explain how numbers are organized to describe all events occurring in nature. In addition, we will discuss some number systems which are used in practice and science. That is all for Introduction to Decimal Number System and Other Numbering Systems. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 1.7.1, The Meaning of Decimal Number System. Writing a number in terms of powers of 10. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.